money, I'm just curious. She want me to take her back, she did me wrong, I'm not hearing it. Dirty bitch, dirty sticks, we walk around with
This video today, we're going to be starting my first vlog, and let's get right to it. It's raining out here. Take a little walk, and you feel me? Yeah, I'm going to get my fit for River's Nice. Crocs on. Got Crocs and socks, you know? Feel me? Alright. Yeah, I'm not the vlogs I always usually go because I'm not much of a vlogger. It's getting fun, so if y'all see a little transition, then y'all see. Yeah, my rubber's dry. Okay, we're good. I'll make sure of that. I'm not here, bro. What's wrong with you? Girl. Where you hit the... But yeah. Keep on rolling. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. How you doing today? I know, guy.
Kind of annoying rain, you know?
Yeah, right.
A little bit annoying. It's like it's not hard, but it's not too soft.
Yeah, right.
Be careful.
Yes, sir. You too. Let's go in. I'll show you what I got afterwards. Sour head. I'm in Warhead. It's pretty good, but yeah.